Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and OS so the steps match. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and you're on Wi-Fi to avoid forced updates. Now open settings and go directly to lock screen or display. This is where the clock appearance lives. You're not installing anything yet, you're preparing the system. Next, locate clock style or lock screen customization. This is the first actionable area where you'll change color or theme options. Once you're in clock style, switch from default or automatic themes to custom so you can pick a color. This prevents system themes from overriding your choice. Pick pure black, hex hash 000000, or drag the color slider to 0% brightness. Some systems use contrast or opacity, so lower opacity to 0 if present. Then tap Apply or Save and look at the lock screen preview to confirm the clock turned black. If the preview still... Now lock your device to verify the change on the real lock screen. Make sure the clock appears black in different lighting or with Always On Display enabled. If it reverts, disable adaptive themes, wallpaper color sync, or automatic dark/light mode since they override manual color settings. Restart the phone and reopen lock screen settings to reapply black if needed. As a final tip, install any pending system updates because some color control bugs are fixed by patches. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.